How Trump, by threatening U.S. foreign aid, undermines democracy globally. Robert Delaney says that as the American public focuses on scandals and political brinkmanship over the government shutdown, the Trump administration has subtly undermined agencies the U.S. uses to promote democratic institutions around the world. When White House aides are batting away news reports about President Donald Trump's hush money to a porn star, you know Washington has hit a new low. Trump's lawyer, Michael Cohen, insists the president's relationship with Stephanie Clifford, aka Stormy Daniels, wasn't sexual or romantic. Perhaps they discussed tax policy or international relations. But the Clifford connection fell off the radar quickly. The U.S. electorate is suffering from outrage fatigue. Since taking office, Trump has, among many other things, lobbed the racial slur at U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren at an event honoring Native Americans. Recently, we have been treated to another spectacle of government dysfunction in the form of a shutdown. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer met Trump on Friday, but anyone hoping the meeting would yield a breakthrough is not familiar with Trump's modus operandi, division-generating headlines that feed his ego and undermine discussion of controversies that erupted days or weeks earlier. Democrats and Republicans have implicated each other for the shutdown, but Trump's party controls Congress, and Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell voted against the government funding patch, making it hard to blame the Democrats. But Washington's dissent drowns out important details in the story of America's retreat from global leadership. Last week, amid the swirl of news around the alleged payment to Clifford and the impending shutdown, it emerged that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, an agency under the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, plans to scale back or discontinue work to prevent infectious disease epidemics in most countries, because the agency expects funding for such work to be cut. The Wall Street Journal pointed out that one of the countries expected to be taken off the agency's assistance list is China, where CDC provides technical assistance to the country, which is devoting increasing resources to global health needs. The work the CDC is cutting, which helped create a better response to outbreaks of illnesses like Ebola, is one development initiative carried out under the broadest definition of foreign aid. There is nothing wrong with wanting a thorough examination of U.S. aid programs. Bureaucracies that run them can become riddled with inefficiencies, corruption and graft. But we need to keep the effect of U.S. foreign aid in perspective as it relates to the country's finances. An April 2017 report by the Council on Foreign Relations said that though U.S. foreign aid aims to provide stability in conflicted regions, bolster allies, promote democracy, or contribute to counterterrorism and law enforcement efforts abroad, these outlays rank near the bottom of all developed countries in terms of its percentage of GDP. Foreign aid, the think tank